Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to publish a Canva website in just a few minutes. Whether this is your first time using Canva or you're already familiar with it, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your designs into a live web page the world can see. First, head over to Canva and open the design you want to publish. At the top right corner, you'll see the Publish Website button. This is your shortcut to transforming your design from a static graphic into a functional website. Click on it and you'll see several publishing options. These options give you the flexibility to share your site in a way that fits your content and audience. Next, you'll need to choose a URL for your website. Think of this as your site's unique address online. Make it memorable. Using your name or a phrase related to your content works best. Once you've typed in your URL, click Publish Website again. Canva will take care of hosting and all the technical stuff, so you don't have to worry about coding or finding a separate web host. The best part, you can always come back, make changes to your design, and republish. This means your site can grow and evolve along with your creative ideas. Here's a pro tip. Share your new website with friends, family, or colleagues to get feedback. It's a simple way to make sure your site resonates with your audience and communicates your message clearly. And that's it. Your Canva website is now live. Go ahead, share your creativity with the world, and keep designing.